Hey guys, we're going to show you how to make a personal diary and keep it safe on LifeCloud. It often helps to communicate our feelings and problems to others, and a diary can offer an acceptable alternative to verbally venting things that have happened in life. It's also a place where you can just vent out your emotions, allowing you to face your problems in a more clear, concise manner. Now, the great thing about keeping an online diary versus a physical one is that you never have to worry about hiding it, losing it, or carrying it around with you. You always have your mobile device, so you can always write in it at any time. And with LifeCloud's two-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption, you never have to worry about anyone seeing your personal stuff. So step 1, create your diary. Open up your personal dashboard, and in your journal entries section, click the drop-down list and select Add Diary. Give your diary a name, like My Private Journal. Then click Add Diary. Step 2. Write your first entry. It's a good start to write the reason why you're doing this and what you'd like to get out of it. LifeCloud automatically tracks the date, which is helpful when you're reading it months or years later. Step 3. Try to write it at least once a day. Even if it's something as simple as, I had a great day today. It helps to get into the habit of visiting your diary daily. And once you're there, you never know what thoughts will flow. Simply select the diary from the drop-down list and add the entry. Step 4. If you skip some days, start again from the current day. If you worry too much about filling in missed days, you'll just get discouraged. Instead, just acknowledge it so that your future self understands the gap. Step 5. Add variety. You can attach pictures and videos to keep your diary interesting. Step 6. Create a quick link to your diary. In the LifeCloud app, navigate to your diary. Click the Control Panel button, click the Add Destination button, and add the current destination. A link to your diary will now appear in your navigation so that you can access it quickly and add to it anytime. Now that you've created your private diary, you want to make sure you keep it safe. First, don't tell anyone your LifeCloud password. Just like you wouldn't give away the key to your physical diary, you shouldn't give away your key to LifeCloud. Next, you wouldn't leave a physical diary lying open on the table in Starbucks. So you shouldn't leave your device open and unattended. Be sure to lock your device when you're not using it. If you do allow someone else to use your device while unattended, be sure to log out of LifeCloud so that they don't mistakenly open your diary. Finally, if you're using LifeCloud on a public device, don't trust the device when you log in, and be sure to log out when you're done. A diary is a great way to connect with yourself and is one of the many ways to keep track of your life with LifeCloud, the only productive social media platform and your life network.